Alright guys, in this video today, I'm going to show you a really easy Clickbank method that you can use with Clickbank products. You can do it with any affiliate product you want. It could be JVZoo, it could be Warrior Plus, it could be any Digistore 24, just any affiliate products that you want to use. And it's going to be 100% free traffic, and or you can even use paid traffic with this, and it's not expensive to use paid traffic and even drive more traffic to your particular products that you're wanting to market off of ClickBank and so on and so forth. Okay, so if this sounds good, guys, let's go ahead and get started on this here. What we want to do first is come over to clickbank.com. As you see here, guys, I don't think I have to tell you this. If you don't have an account at ClickBank, it's free to sign up. Just go to clickbank.com and sign up and get logged in. And once you get logged in and get your email validated, you want to come back and click on the marketplace right up here, guys, and that brings you over here to the affiliate marketplace right here. And now you can see that I've typed in here in the search engine, I've typed in free traffic right here, guys, and it comes up with a couple of these different traffic things right here. But what we want to do is we're interested in ones that have high gravity, and it's these top two ones right here. It's this one right here, the free traffic one. It's got about a 30 gravity on it, and this one down here is about a 4. So you can choose whichever one you want, or like I said, guys, you can use any affiliate product that you want to use. And over here on the left on the categories, you can see they've got it in any category that you want. And so just pick a product that you like and one that you're kind of, excited about yourself. That's usually the best way to go, right? All right, so I'm going to pick this one right here, the free traffic system. And if I click on this link right here, guys, it brings us over here to the sales page, and you can see here that it's a really good, easy sales page. This site is just people can get started for $1. As you can see here, it's 14 days for $1, and then it's $37 a month after that on this particular free traffic product site here. And it comes down, shows some testimonials and so on and so forth. It's a pretty good product sales page right here on this for this particular product on Clickbank. Okay, all right, so we're going to use that product here in my example that I show you here today. Like I said, you can use whatever you want. So what we want to do is we want to click on promote here. Now this particular product here, you can get up to about $489 on it over conversion, because they have an initial conversion or initial of 532, and that's because they have lots of upsells on the back end of this particular product here. But overall, you can make a total of almost $500 total if somebody walks through all those upsells and buys each of those upsells. And they even have recurring billing, which is about $32 per month after that, after this $489, if you was to make that much. Okay, so a little bit about that product and so on and so forth, and then you can read more and stuff like that. Now, so what we want to do is we want to come over here to this site right here where we're going to market our Clickbank product. You can see right here it's Leeds Leap right here, and if you look up here in the actually this has been around since 2008, guys, and if you look up here in the address bar, it's leedsleap.com. You see it right there, and then this site's got really good options to it. I mean, you can just do free traffic and advertise. You can get all kinds of things like list manager. They even got a page builder here, guys, where you can build a landing page. You can build your own funnels and all that kind of stuff completely for free here. It's to secure your free lifetime membership here. And then they've got a pop-up creator, got a link tracker, and they've got 4 ways to make some money here and more and so on and so forth. And it's free to sign up here on this site, guys. In fact, let's just see how much traffic this site gets per month. So if I bring out my similar web here, you see we're on leedsleap.com right here, guys. And if I scroll up, you can see that we are over here on monthly visits. Almost 400,000 people per month come to this site. All right, if I scroll up too, you can see that most of that traffic is coming from the United States and Argentina, even the Ukraine. There's some Ukraine traffic here, and so on and so forth. So you can see that this site gets some really good traffic to it. Okay, and good high tier traffic from the United States. So what you want to do is you want to click on here, get your free membership here, guys, and then you can walk through this little thing right here. They will send you an email confirmation, so you want to make sure that you get that checked out and get validated and come back and get logged in. And I'll go ahead and log in on my account here now. And when you get logged in, it brings you over here to this back office right here, guys. And you can see over here, and this is you're on the dashboard right now, which is right here, over here on the left, guys. And you can see that they have lots of really cool things here to get your own traffic, advertising and stuff here. You can get into social media with it. Link tracker they got email marketing things right here. You can build an email list with email series and so on and so forth, broadcast. You can even send email out from this site right here, guys. Like I told you earlier, they have their own page builder, and they have their own funnel builder and funnel manager here, and the forms and pop-up creators and hosting. They even got hosting here, guys, and so on and so forth down through here. You guys can take the time to look at all of this at your own leisure. But like I said, if you want to, what we want to do is we want to click here on post credit ads, which is for free, right? Now, it takes some, you see I've got 10 credits here. That's because I surfed over here on the right. You can see where my mouse is. And you click on these, and the longer you stay on these, the more credits you earn, alrighty? So you can guess how you get free credits on this site to do your advertising with on this site. Or you can click on upgrade to pro right here, guys. And if we click on that and we come down to the free versus pro comparison, like I told you, it's not expensive to get this on this site as a pro. It's only $19.90 per month right now, guys. You can see that it's not very expensive at all. But if you just didn't want to do that and you wanted to do the free, and just all you got to do is click on these ads and just surf them for a couple of minutes and go off, and you can build your credits up. As you see right here, I have a total of 10.1 credits built up, and it took me probably, I don't know, 11 minutes to get that, or something like that, of surfing these ads. Didn't take long at all. And then, so what you want to do is we'll click right here on post a credit ad right here, and it brings you over here to this page. And then what you want to do is put in your URL, which, by the way, guys, that's going to be our Clickbank URL. When you click on promote, you want to make sure that your account nickname is in this box here, and you can use a tracking ID if you want. It's optional. And I'm just click create the hop link, and then that gives us our Clickbank link right here, guys. We can just copy it and then come back, and it's not, we don't need to shorten it up with any kind of bit.ly or tiny URL or anything. Just want to paste it right in there just like that, guys. And then you want to create a catchy title. Well, for that, what I would do is I'd come back here, and I'm going to get, and you're only allowed, what is it, a total of 25 characters here, guys. So we want to come back, and we'll just get this right here, that right there, and we'll copy that and bring that back. And it's real easy. Just copy the title right off of your product page, your sales page, and then you can get 60 characters here for text. We'll come back here and we'll get this right here. Newbie friendly method reveals how we make per day with traffic, and it's 30 minutes per day. And we'll copy that and see if that'll take that right there and bring that over. And well, no, that's got let's see here. Let's come back and clear this out right here. We've got to get it down to about 60. Friendly method reveals how to get free traffic. Right there. That would be good right there, guys. You can put in there whatever you want. Just take something off of your product page, your sales page, or create your own out of your own head there, guys. You can add an image right here if you want, guys. I'm not going to do it in this example. And then you can click down here to select the best category. So we're going to probably put in something along the line of traffic right here, guys. We'll put that in, and then optional link to your social review. So if you have, like, you can put in your link to your Instagram account or your Facebook account or whatever social media site that you want. And then you can preload your credits right here. Now I have 10 credits, so I'll just put 10 in here. And then at that point, it's just automatic, just save and submit right here, guys. So if we was to click on that, and it's going to process it, and it says all saved All ads saved but not submitted. Please upload an image. Okay, they want you to upload an image. Well, I'm not going to take the time to do that in this particular video, guys, but you can click here to add an image, and you can pick an image off of, either Google, or you can go to Pexels, or you can just pull an image right off of your product page, like right here. It'd be easy enough to take this image right here and save it, and put that image up there as well on that, then submit it, and then once it's saved, it will be running, and you should begin to get some traffic over to your product and your sales page here of the product that you picked off of Clickbank. And then it's just a matter of keep surfing these ads, building your credits up every day. Do it a little bit every day, keep your credits up, or you can upgrade for the $19.90 a month and get it unlimited. Then it's just unlimited credits, and you can just keep your ads running and running and running. And at that point, when you upgrade, you can post pro ads, like it says right here. Those will run 24/7 on the pro ads, guys, on this site. That is what I wanted to show you today, guys. It's a really good, easy, simple Clickbank method. You can use any affiliate product, but I'm just using Clickbank. And you can use Leeds Leap, and they have all kinds of other cool tools down here that you can use to even drive more traffic to your affiliate products and so on. And they even have a referral program, guys. You have affiliate links where you can get your friends and family members or other people to sign up under you, and you get a portion of their whatever they sell. You get a portion of credits off of them, which will add to your credits and keep your ads running and running and running and running all the time, guys. Well, guys, if you like that method, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there and click that notification bell down below. Also, if you have any comments about this video, just reach down there in the comment section. Leave your comment down there, your question, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. Also, if you're interested in high-ticket affiliate marketing where you can make thousands in one day's possibility, you want to reach down there below in the top of my description and click where you see it says mentorwithkev.com and come over and watch my free video presentation that'll show you how you can learn to become a high-ticket affiliate marketer. All right, well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you guys again here in a few days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Have an awesome day today. Don't forget to watch these videos up here that'll show you how to make money online different ways as well. Okay, see you guys later. Take care. Bye-bye now.